Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you the easiest way to swing trade options in 2023. And if you implement what I talk about in this video, there's no reason why you shouldn't make over $500 a day trading the options market. So if you want to learn how to trade options and you want to know the easiest way, in my opinion, to make over $500 a day, then this video lesson is going to be perfect for you. But before we dive into the video, do me a favor, everybody. Hey, smash that subscribe button, because on this channel, I literally go live talking about the markets every single day. Let's get into the video. Lumberger. What's going on with Lumberger? Okay, so Lumberger, you got the resistance up there. You're in that mid compression squeeze, stack moving averages, your bullish permission, and your bullish strengthening on the day. So the day is matching the higher time frames. Okay, that's how you do it, guys. Okay, so do you think it's important to understand what's going on in the higher time frames? Do you see how this could change the game? Knowing what the higher time frames are doing and what setups that you can take today. It's pretty awesome. Okay, don't you think it's awesome? I mean, this is something that people aren't talking about. This is something people aren't talking about. This changes the game. So ask yourself the question, are you ready for the game to be changed? Because it is. Y'all hear me? All right. All right. It's pretty good. Let's keep going. So a bias up situation. This is a beautiful mid compression squeeze. Right? Beautiful mid compression squeeze. Okay. So again, just ask yourself, as always, what do you trade today? Okay. What do you trade today? Okay. Let me know if you're getting this. You guys getting this? AMD, low compression squeeze, stack moving averages to the downside. Your neutral permission on the higher time frames, your bearish weakening. So you would focus more on the downside. And you're in a low compression squeeze to the downside. Okay? Low compression squeeze to the downside. That's fine. BP. Okay, this is a, low compression squeeze. We're bullish. So this is a squeeze setup. You still got a ways to go for breakout, but this is a beautiful squeeze setup. We just crossed the 50, so we're starting to strengthen. Our short-term momentum is dying down. We are getting, a take profit signal. Okay, if you took this trade against this trend, then getting some take profit signals. Either way, there's really no setup. FCX, we already looked at that. FCX is we're focusing to the downside. This is more of a bear flag, right? It's a bear flag setup on Freeport McMoran, right? Copper. Hey, I think this will be a great time to ask you, if you are finding value in any way or shape or form in this video, can you do me a favor? Smash that like button, all right? It really does help the channel. It also lets YouTube know that, hey, this video is helping people, and then they can spread this out to more people. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. DAL. All right, neutral permission, higher time frame, so we can trade either direction. We're bearish weakening, right? We're weakening because we're coming out of that lower zone, right? We're bearish weak, but we're still bearish. Okay, but it is weakening. We're mindful of that. Okay, we are mindful of that. If you took this little counter trend move, you're getting some take profit signals. But anyway, this is a bear flag, right? I think it's going to go into a black squeeze personally, but it's a bear flag setup. Stack, the moving averages are stacked to the downside. Now it says no flag because the sticker calculates some, that equal low, but I still see this as a bear flag. Okay. I still see this as a bear flag. And that's very important. Okay. That's very important to know what's going on. I mean, so like right here, if you're here, okay, if you're here, you're telling me you want to get better at your options. Okay. That's why you're here, right? I mean, isn't that why you're here? To get better at your option trading? That's what we're doing, right? So if your option trading is like a pinball back and forth, then pay attention, right? because we're trying to get better. Shop W. Do we look at WDC? Yeah, WDC is breaking out right now. I think we talked about that, right? Yeah, breaking out now. So that's kind of the watch list, guys. You know, we'll go look at one more. Let's go look at gold really quickly. Gold, you know, kind of broke to that high. Nothing really happening. Silver kind of looks like that as well. Actually, silver is bullish, pulling back. I love this setup. This is a bull flag. It might come into this and bounce. We're working it. We had that divergence right here. So that told us, hey, take profit, take profit, take profit. Backing off on that divergence. And now we're just waiting for our next setup. It's really as simple as that. You guys see how easy this is, right? See the setup, place the trade if you have permission to trade that setup. Okay, so I'm going to go through these here and a little bit later on. We got the dollar. You know, we got in the dollar on this flag. We did it yesterday in class. You know, we talked about the dollar, and we're up really good. We're up over like almost 80% in one day. Pull back, beautiful stack moving averages. We have permission. We had that intermediate confirmation signal, my favorite signal. We bounced. We're up like 80% in one day. That is a beauty. And let's see here. Somebody had mentioned me X. Right? X, they want to look at X. All right, so X. X, we have bullish permission. Okay, and we're bullish strong. So I know at a glance, right? With those stickers, what they do is they just save me time, right? I know I can go analyze this. I can go to the month. I can go to the week. It takes time. You have to do that. You need to know what's going on. But those stickers really quickly tell me what's going on. The higher time frames are bias up. The daily time frames bias up. So I know I'm trading to the upside. Then what do I focus on? Well, what's the setup? Right now we had a flag that bounced. It's pausing. Probably going to go into a squeeze here pretty soon. But there's really no setup right now. See, the setup, place the trade. It's all about the setup. And then it's all about the permission and, of course, strategy. So even if you get this setup, are you going to buy calls today? You can do puts. You can do debit spreads. You can do credit spreads. You got to know that. Okay? You got to know that. Is this making sense? Okay? Is this making sense? Understanding what to do, when to do it can change your life. Okay? Do you see how this can change your life? Can you see yourself doing this? Okay? That's what we talk about every day. That's what we talk about every single day here in this class. All right. Hopefully you found value in today's video, everybody. Hey, if you did find value, do me a favor. It really does help support the channel and myself if you give it a thumbs up, okay? It might not seem like it matters, but it does. What happens is YouTube sees that it was helpful to you and they spread it out to more people. It means a lot, okay? Hey, and if you're not subscribed yet to the channel and you like the way that we did this today, you enjoy the markets, then hey, do me a favor. Think about subscribing to the channel because I literally go live on this channel every single day. Hey, and don't forget, if it interests you, right? Down below, I've got my free options 101 class, okay? Well, it's free right now. I'm going to give it to you, okay? So all you got to do is click the link down below, register, and I'm going to send you that options 101 class completely for free. And if you're interested in any of the indicators that I use or recommend or my elite course, check down below in the description because this month we've got a lot of bonuses when it comes to that, okay? All right, everybody. Hey, don't forget to join us live Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time where we do our options live show, okay? You don't want to miss it. All right, we'll see you in the live show or the next video.